Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Married Her. I am Maridalia. So today I will be talking to you guys about Fashion Week for Copenhagen from January 27th to January 30th. And sorry if I look a little crazy. I hope you guys appreciate my no makeup face and that's breathing moisturizer as much as I do. You gotta let the skin breathe sometimes. And also don't mind my eyebrows. I know they look a little crazy. That's fine, I'm gonna go see my eyebrow lady soon. So for starters, on January 27th there was only one show, and that was the opening. So for this day, this collection, CPHFW x Boozt, I will post a picture of two of my favorite looks right here. So this collection had a lot of plaids, and it was like a cowgirl theme. So they had a lot of plaid, browns, rich colors. They had some, snake pattern is really in. So they had some snake pattern cowgirl boots. Cowgirl boots are also very in right now. So they had some really cool plaids and denims, and I will leave down below the link if you guys want to check out the full collection, so you guys can see all the images from every look that they presented in this show. And once again, I will leave down below linked all the websites that I use as my main source for everything Fashion Week. And I just also put on my bio the link for the website where you can see the full Fashion Week season schedule, in case you guys want to see all the shows and when the order that they're going to be showing in. So Haute Couture, Copenhagen, and then New York Fashion Week, and then London, Paris. You can see all the shows there. So if you guys are excited about specific designer, you guys know when they will be showing at Fashion Week this season. So for next January 28th, I really liked Mykke Hofmann. They had a lot of nets, so basically like the fish nets, but they had like a lot of netting blouses and undergarments that they displayed under blazers and dresses. And they had a lot of cool colors like lavender, which works perfect for spring and summer, but it also looks really good in the fall and the winter. So I really appreciated that. And they had a lot of rich colors besides purples. They had a lot of oranges and browns. They had a lot of pencil skirts with slits, which is very fall and winter. You don't really wear a lot of short skirts. You wear more like pencil skirts with boots or like stockings in the fall and the winter. So they had a lot of that, and they had a lot of sweaters, as you will see right here. I will insert a picture of two of my favorite looks. And yeah, so you guys can see the rest of that collection by clicking the link down below. You can see all the looks. So next, for January 29th, Mykke Domino had a lot of nice things. I really like this collection. This collection is more like for the girl boss, the ones who wear some slacks and like a trench, and isn't scared to wear some very masculine but make it look feminine clothing, if I am expressing myself right. Think Bond Girl meets 2020 boss woman, boss lady. And they had a lot of ties, which ties can look really nice with a dress. It depends how you style it. I feel like there was a period of time where women were really wearing ties a lot and rocking it with like dresses or like a blazer with a skirt. So they kind of brought that back, but they had a lot of trench coats, and they had a lot of slacks, wide leg pant slacks, and they had skinny pant straight leg slacks with the coats, and they had sleeveless coats like vest coats, and they looked really cool. And they had a lot of nice neutrals, which are the best colors for fall, like browns and beiges, and I really appreciated this collection. Don't forget to check out all the images on the link down below. And for the last day, January 30th, Ganni is one of my favorites. I love their stuff. They have really nice things, leather bags, and really cool garments. So this collection that they just showed at Fashion Week is all about the 90s. As you guys know, the 90s are definitely back in a lot of ways. So a lot of 90s trends are making their way back, and now they're making their way back to the runway, which they have been for the last couple years. But this collection really, I strongly saw 90s. I will insert a picture right here. They had a lot of 90s themed little caps, and they had the denim that they used. The style of the cuts of the jeans reminded me of like that grunge, and they had a lot of those little dresses with the sweaters under that we really saw in the 90s. And the specific boots that they displayed, that they released on this collection, they really make me think 90s. If you guys know, they had like the more chunky heels in the 90s, the more chunky boot instead of a more sleek. I mean, there was a sleek boot with the point toe, but there was also that grungy boots, and that was at the time of the platform sneakers and all that stuff. So I feel like they really captured that 90s elements, also the cutout sweaters. So I really like this collection, and even the belts that they use, like in some of the looks that they showed. So I strongly recommend you guys check that out as well. So thank you guys for watching. That was it for this Fashion Week. I will be posting more Fashion Week updates, my favorite designers of each day, as the Fashion Week season goes on. And stay tuned for more videos coming up. And don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Thank you.